I'm gonna try to document as much as I can because I really want to share with you behind the scenes as far as what goes down when I work for a brand. So stay tuned, my friends. Love you. Hang out with me. Let's go check out LA with Kerastase and Shu. Cheers. How weird. I'm on my way to LA and I'm stuck in traffic. All right, so I just got to the L'Oreal Pro Lab in El Segundo, right by the airport here. This facility is ridiculous. It's super dope. Let's check it out. All right, check out the L'Oreal Pro Lab. Here we are. This joint is dope. All right, so here we are. We're hanging out with Kerastase and Shuamura. I just walked in the Pro Lab right now. This place is banging. It's so legit. I can't wait to show you everything. Oh, I see a bunch of people in there. Let's go cruise around and see what's going on. So there we go. All right, so we're in here right now and I've got some friends. I'm gonna talk quietly because they are prepping, but look how sick this is. Whoa, that's the dopest balloon thing I've ever seen. My mic's turned off, so there's no audio. Dude, I can't believe this guy's on the sun fence too.
Will it follow you too?
Yeah. It'll probably follow me even more when I learn how to use it. Okay, so.
Flat graduation's coming from the on
Yeah.
there, so it's
100%. Yeah, flat grad would be same thing, except you're not flipping it around. But there you can see like how much shorter that makes that little bit. So shorter pushing longer is gonna give us a little bit more of that whip. All right, so we're prepping for tomorrow. We're getting everything ready to go. I got Janine, I got Chang with me. Janine, what's the most embarrassing hair moment you've ever had?
crying over my bangs.
Wait, what happened?
They were cut wrong. They were too short. It was a distress.
Did you cut them?
No,
Who cut them?
someone else.
You can't name names.
I'll never give away my contact sources.
Is it MOM?
It wasn't.
It wasn't.
It wasn't. It was a professional.
Chang, your most embarrassing hair moment ever?
It was also a bad bang moment.
Why is it always the bangs? What did the bangs do?
But it was like someone on a former team I worked on and wanted to give me fringe and texturize it really thin. And my face is too big for thin bangs. So I came back and that's when I had that heavy fringe for a moment.
Bangs are emotional.
Yeah.
So it's not the bangs that I just cut on you last week.
It was the haircut Travis gave me last week.
That was my worst embarrassing haircut I've ever had in my life.
All right, that's it. We're checking out for the night. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Cheers. All right, I have a little friend that's down here in my window. All right, heading in for our day with Kerastase. Super stoked. It's gonna be a legit day. This place is so sick, and everybody I've met so far has been so sweet, so kind, so inviting. I'm just stoked. It's an honor to be here. It's a privilege. Let's go rock it out. Let's go teach some people some haircuts. Let's do this. Birthday girl.
Okay, and then zoom in.
All right, so we're getting set up. All the TVs are coming together right now. People are walking in. We got 50 attendees. We're doing a demonstration on our friend Jordan, which is gonna be super dope, super legit. And then we're taking everybody into a hands-on version of it. The demo's gonna be rather quick. I'm gonna have most of it pre-cut, so the length of the haircut, the baseline of the haircut's gonna be cut. Layers, I think I'm gonna finish probably about 3/4 of it, because we're really ultimately, I think, gonna have about 15 minutes for the demonstration. So that's gonna go kind of fast, but then we will get into the fringe and the face framing, which is always the big seller. Everybody will jam out to that. We'll take a minute, we'll move into hands-on, and yeah, then we'll take 50 people into a hands-on class. Thank you, Kerastase. I love you. Let's have a beautiful day. Yes, let's go. All right, we're going. You can hear the clapping. The energy is building right now. Let's check everybody out. Good morning again. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning again. Look at this crowd. So hyped. What's up, mama? Woo! Oh my gosh. Friends, I am so elated to be here. It is an honor, it is a privilege, it is a treat. I have been in the L'Oreal family for, 16 years, and then last year I finally decided to go rogue. I decided to go independent, I decided to be brand agnostic and work with everyone because we have this huge, massive, beautiful industry. And I wanted to sell to everybody. I wanted to serve everybody as a coach. I wanted to serve everybody as a mentor. And with 20 plus years of teaching and 36 years of cutting hair, I'm like, snap, I got some experience. And if anything, I've got a lot of opportunities where I have failed that I've turned into coaching and instruction. And every bit of that is what I'm gonna bring to you guys today. When in doubt, square versus round, cut a square because you can always cut the corners off and go around. My friends, thank you so much for allowing me to demonstrate this. All right, I just finished the demonstration. It went really well. The model's hair is dope. It looks really cool. Yeah, it was just really fun. Thinner in the front, which gave me the opportunity of teaching cutting the hair to natural fall. We worked into a number of different conversations that I thought were really impactful and helpful in a teaching sense. So elated for that. Now let's move into the hands-on. So excited to go. Let's do this.
All right, you guys, we're gonna turn the music down, but if you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. All right, perfect. So we're gonna get the music turned down, and what we're gonna start off with creating first is the dropped perimeter horseshoe.
I'm gonna video you doing your thing. There you go. And then try your elevation. So see how it's coming out this way? See if you can get it straight up, perpendicular to the ground. Here's our supermodel again, Taylor.
Oh, definitely.
Wait till you see those pictures. I mean, oh my God.
All of it.
Yeah, the whole kit and caboodle. What's a caboodle?
The caboodle to me was like in the 80s. That makeup case. I used to carry one.
It's a makeup case?
It's like a... Yes.
Oh, really?
I have one.
Oh my God, you guys totally knew that and I had no clue. I would have been like, oh,
I know.
All right, everybody is crushing it right now. This is so awesome. I can't believe how fast everyone is, Chang. Like they're...
So on speed.
Yeah. They're way faster than my slow ass.
Yeah, I mean, you're a little slow, but everybody else is really fast.
I know.
Thank goodness.
Is this a supercuts class?
It's a super fast cuts class.
No one told me you guys work for sports clubs.
Yeah. It's all about quantity. All about quantity, not quality here.
All right, we got 2 more minutes and then we're gonna bring out the face frame and then we're done.
But thank you again for giving me the opportunity, and we used the word grace over here earlier with the way we were using the stroke of the shear. But thank you for being so wonderful and so welcoming and allowing me into your family, into your room. Thank you for allowing me into, for some of you, an uncomfortable cut. I can't tell you seriously enough that it sucks to be uncomfortable. But if we can romance with discomfort, we can romance with the idea that we can be anything that we set our minds to. So continue to push yourself out of your comfort zone. If I can ever support you in any way of your development, whether it's with a haircut, whether it's with client connection, or attending any of my classes, or just reaching out to me through social media or through our YouTube channel, I'm always here. Again, it's my purpose, and I'm blessed. So thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.
Just finishing up my beautiful morning with Kerastase. It has been a great day. We, as you saw, got to do a demonstration in the morning on a lovely model, Jordan. It was her birthday. It was super fun. Just a blessed opportunity to work with this group. I mean, what a wonderful group. Open arms. I mean, if you can imagine the biggest hug on the planet, that's what it felt like to be here all day, including last night when I got to meet everybody for the first time. But so excited for our next run. So excited to see where they take this team. Great leadership, just stellar time. So thank you so much, my friends, for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my experience at the Pro Lab. I know I did. And until that next time,